What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, man, Kanye MFX, man. We're back at it. It's a continuation of my previous video that you saw. So, yeah, just give me a couple of minutes and we go ahead and do a trade breakdown of Euro US dollar and the four remaining pairs that I'm gonna do a trade breakdown on. So, yeah, guys, as I've said, I'm doing a second video. It's a continuation of my previous video. So guys, I'm gonna teach you how to trade a pullback on on any given pair or so. So guys, yeah, let me just adjust this thing and let's just do this. Yeah, guys. So what I saw on Euro US dollar is that okay, price change character and and price change character right here, right? And I trade what's based on what's called the three candle pullback. I trade what's called three candle pullback. So what's the three candle pullback? It's three it's three candles in the opposing direction that meet and break each other with succession. What do I mean by that? It's that way you should have what I mean by that is that you should have like it's one bullish candle break, it breaks the next bullish candle, so it's one break, two break, then three. So that's my three candle pullback. So we eventually have a change of character right here, guys. So let me just zoom, let me just do this, let me just do this. So we had a break of structure. Yeah. So we had a break of structure right here. I don't know what's going on with this Wi-Fi, but it's starting to take a toll on me. But like yeah. So guys, yeah. So let me just adjust this brightness thing to full, and yeah. So guys, we visually have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure. Next time I'm plugging this thing on the TV, guys. Now I hate doing this thing. So like we have a break of structure right here, right? We have a break of structure, and we have a break of structure. We have a break of structure, change of character. I don't know if you all saw that, but like we have a break of structure, change of character, and price is eventually pulling back. So I'm gonna just drop down to the 15-minute time frame, and let me just do this. Yeah. So let me just drop down to the 15-minute time frame, and I want to show you what I saw. So okay, on the 4 hours, so that we have a break of structure, change of character. I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame, and what I saw is that it's the Wi-Fi, it's the Wi-Fi, it's the Wi-Fi, it's the Wi-Fi. Damn, it's starting to take a toll on me, guys. This Wi-Fi is something else, but I like yeah. I appreciate what you have, so like you know, can't complain. So like yeah, so guys, we're on the 15-minute time frame right now. We're on the 15-minute time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame, what I saw is that we have this we have this 4-hour break of structure, right? With this 4-hour break of structure. So guys, on the 15-minute time frame, what I saw is that we have this 4-hour break of structure was looking to trade from this high to this low, but price eventually changed character, né? So price eventually changed character, and what I saw is that okay, sure, price changed character, but like right now, let me just remove this. Price changed character, so I knew that I'm trading from this low, right? It's going to pop out in a minute. It's going to pop up in a minute. Just give it some time. It's the Wi-Fi. Yeah. So guys, what I saw is that I'm trading from and if your mentor still uses the red and green candles, nah, you should think twice, because like even the colors, even the color of the chart has an effect on your psychology. So anyway guys, you're trading from this low down here, right, to this high up here on the 15-minute. But I know on the 4 hours that we're having a pullback that will last for days. But like, yeah, so on the 15-minute, you're trading from this low to this high up here, and like this Wi-Fi it's starting to piss me off. But like, here, so guys, you're trading from this low. This is my swing low, and this is my swing high. That's my trading range. So we're ranging from this swing low to the swing high, and what I saw is that okay, price is actually pulling back, but the overall trend is still bearish, but price is just pulling back on the 4-hour just to mitigate levels of supply to initiate the overall trend. So what I saw is that okay, we're pulling back, and what I saw is that we have liquidity, relatively equal lows. We have relatively equal lows, and we have this order block right here. Yeah, so guys, yeah, so what I saw is that we have relatively equal lows. We have relatively equal lows. We have relatively equal lows here, which is another form of liquidity. And what I told you is that your order block should have, and I'll be looking to buy from this level of demand. And guys, the order block should have liquidity to take, which you have this relatively equal lows to take, and if not, it should have taken liquidity. What do I mean if it should have taken liquidity? We see that price takes this liquidity that's resting right here. Your order block should have liquidity to take, or should have taken liquidity. So you can see this order block has both of this both of tools on what I'm talking about. So like, it has taken liquidity and it has liquidity to take too. And you should also have liquidity to target. So what do I mean by liquidity to target? So we eventually know that in every high and low of the market there's liquidity, right? So that's what I mean by liquidity to target. So this order block has taken liquidity, right? And it has liquidity to take, which makes it a good order block, guys. So I'd eventually place my buy orders. I'd eventually place my buy orders from here. I put my stops just below a pip stop, and I take out the highs here for 5 risk reward trade. So what I do, guys, is that I always take 80% off the table as my full bread and butter, and I leave 20% on to just run, you know. So 80% off is your full bread and butter, which is 1 to 5, and you leave the rest just to run to wherever you're targeting, right? So what I saw is that, okay, price came here, yeah. That's why I love SMC, guys. SMC, like, oh, it's proven to work in any market conditions, but like you need to, it takes time to master this craft of trading SMC and liquidity and all that stuff, because I've also been trading from 2022, 25 August. I started trading 25 August 2022, and we're still pushing to this day. So guys, as you could see, as you can see, price hit full TP of 1 to 5, and I'd leave the rest for the highs. But like, yeah, so right now what we see is that we have a break of structure on the 15-minute. We have a break of structure, and after having that break of structure, your swing lows, shifters from, it shifts from this low. Like, after having a break of structure, guys, the lowest point in the pullback is your swing low. So where's my lowest point in the pullback? Most of y'all would say, my lowest point is this area right here, this area right here. No, guys, no. Remember, you need to know your swing. You need to know your trading range, guys. So my overall trading range right now is, I'm trading from, let me just fix this. I'm trading from price. So right now I'm trading from this low, yeah, because it's the lowest point after price initiated to take out my high. Simply that. So right now I'm trading from this swing low, right? This swing low. I'm trading from this swing low to this swing high, right? This swing high. But the price to price broke structure. So a break of structure, yeah. So guys, it's in the morning, guys. You know, a lot of people are awake now. That's why this Wi-Fi is so slow, because like now a lot of people are waking up and stuff. That's why I have to go back, disconnect and reconnect. But like, yeah, next time I'm gonna do these videos at night, so I'm gonna be faster too. And like, yeah, so what I saw is that, okay, we have our break of structure, right? So we're trading from the swing low to the swing high, break of structure. But if you just go on the 4-hour time frame, né, you don't depend on lower time frames only. You need to confirm on the 4-hour time frame too. So as you can see, we have what, a break of structure, right? So we're trading from this swing low right now, right? We're trading from this swing low. You'd swear that I'm becoming the best SMC. I will be the best SMC trader next in Africa. Yeah. I'm the next best SMC trader in Africa, guys. Like, come on. This is just small things. This is just small things. If you could see my analysis on a daily basis, or oh, you cry. But anyway, this is my swing low, this is my swing high on the 4 hour, and I'd want price to pull back to a level of discount which is below the 50% and 0.618, which I'd see that we have this order block resting. We have an order block resting below that level, which is this order block right here, right? So, and I was looking at this price like last month. No, I don't remember. Like last month, yeah, it was last month, and I took all the trades. Yeah, last month. But I'm do a video of turning 50 rand to 500 rand, then 500 rand to 4,000 or 5,000 rand, guys. So yeah. Anyway, price pulls back. You could see that we have this. We had relatively equal lows right here. They were taken, relatively equal lows, but eventually those lows were taken, equal lows, not equal highs. We have relatively equal lows taken, relatively equal lows, relatively equal lows taken. We have this inducement level right here taken. This is what I was seeing, guys. I'm doing the exact same thing that I was doing when I was on island, and but it's less of what I was seeing, eh? But like I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys to understand on what I saw. So as soon as price tapped in into my 4 hour POI, I dropped down to a 15-minute time frame, and we work on a rule called KIST, ne? It's simply an abbreviation of keep it stupid simple every day. KIST. Keep it stupid simple every day. So that's what I work on. And yeah, guys, we're on the 15-minute time frame. We tapped into a 4 hour POI or 4 hour demand level. We've taken out this equal lows right here, taken out this inducement level right here, and yeah, I'll be looking to buy the market from, let me just do this, and yeah. So guys, what I saw is that okay, we tapped into our 4 hour POI, because right now we're trading from this. Let's see, we tapped into a 4 hour POI right here, or level of demand right here, and what I see is that we're trading from this low to this high up here. Let me just adjust the brightness of this thing. So guys, yeah, I'll post this in high picture quality, and you also should watch it in high picture quality so you can see what I see. So guys, yeah, so what I saw is that okay, price actually came down and mitigated this levels right here, and we have a change of character approximately, I hate this thing, man. We have a change of character approximately right, 3 candle pullback. We have a change of character right here, guys. So this is my change of character right here. Change of character. You know, this Wi-Fi is starting to take a toll on me. But like, too many people are waking up right now. So like, yeah. Anyway, so guys, we have a change of character. Alright, and what I was looking for initially is for price to come into these levels right here. What I was looking for is for price to come into these levels, which it didn't, because I don't know why. Market makers. Anyway, yeah, it's part of the game, guys. Sometimes you will get tagged in, sometimes you will miss the trades. it is what it is. So like, yeah, let me just adjust this Wi-Fi thing. And now, so get into the trade. But I promise next time next time I'll do better quality videos than I have than I'm doing right now. So next time my video qualities will be top tier, guys. So yeah. Anyway, so I was looking for price to come into this level of demand, tap in, take my entries, target the highs, because why? Price took liquidity, this order block took liquidity and had liquidity to take, but eventually price didn't tap in. Price didn't tap in. See, price took liquidity and had liquidity to take, but eventually we didn't tap into this 15-minute POI or demand level, and we reacted from this zone right here, and we pushed up, break of structure. So we had a break of structure without entry. That's fine, it's part of the game. Anyway, so moving on to the next thing, let's start on the 4 hour again. And yeah, so guys, as you can see, I've been showing you how to trade a pullback on the 4 hour. So we didn't get tagged in into the trade, right? Anyway, we had a break of structure, and right now our swing low is right here. So right now we're trading from the swing low. This is my swing low. So we're trading from this low, right? Trading from the swing low. I apologize for, no, I don't apologize, but never mind my English, but like, yeah. So we're trading from the swing low to the swing high right here. So this is my swing high. This is just a pullback. So you're trading a counter trend, actually. You're trading you're trading a counter trend, or yeah, it's just simply, counter trend is just simply a pullback. You're trading a pullback of the market, guys. See, so I'm teaching you how to trade a pullback too. Anyway, and don't forget the three candle pullback. It's just simply three candles in the opposing direction that meet and break each other with succession. That's the three candle pullback. So this is my swing high up here. So it's this Wi-Fi started again, but anyway, yeah, let me just do this and can start. Yeah, so guys, so it's my swing high. Okay, so we're trading from the swing low to the swing high price, and I take out my Fibonacci to mark out my levels of discount pricing, and order block number 1, I take the wick, right, for our POI. I just move this, and order block number 2, instead of order block we didn't tap into on the 15-minute time frame, that's my order block number 2. So guys, what are we looking for? I'll be looking for price to come in here, because right now what I see is that we have inducement right here, inducement, we have a fair value gap right here, you have a FVG, or fair value gap for short, we have a fair value gap right here, and let me just remove this, we have a fair value gap right here, and if you just look carefully, we have relatively equal lows right here, which is another form of liquidity. We have relatively equal lows on the lower time frames, which is another form of liquidity. And yeah guys, that's what I'll be looking for on the Euro US dollar. So I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame, and I'm gonna teach you how to trade a 4-hour pullback from a swing high heading down to the swing low. So let's just drop down to the 15-minute time frame. It's simply just what I showed you right now. It's simply the same thing, but like, yeah. Anyway, dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, what do we see is that dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, what do I see? What do I see? Okay, guys, dropping down on a 15-minute time frame. Let me show you how to trade a 15-minute pullback. So right now, as you could see, we have a high, low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high, right? So this is my change of character. If we tap into this, it's the Wi-Fi again. Just yeah. So guys, what I see on the 15-minute time frame is that we have a change of character, right? So we have this change of character, and what I see is price is pulling back, and I'll be looking to short the market, targeting where these levels of demand down there. So guys, what I saw is that okay, price change character, the price changing character, I look for areas of supply area number one will be this supply level right here. Supply area number one will be this supply up here, and let me just take this overall supply area right here. That's supply, this is supply area number one, right? Supply area one, supply area number one, supply area number two will be somewhere right here, but I'm not going to drop down to those levels. And what I see, guys, is that we have liquidity, trendline liquidity, lower time frame trendline liquidity. We have let me just adjust the brightness. We have lower time frame liquidity. We have this inducement right here, or SMT. Let me just say smart money trap anyway. We have this SMT. We have inducement right here. We have inducement right here. We have inducement right here. And we tap into our we tap into our 15-minute POI. So what I'll be looking for is, you can see that we have a breakout structure. Let me just remove this. Okay. So what I see is that we have a breakout structure. We have a breakout structure, right? The break's trading from this low, trading from this low to this high. So this is our change of character. Change of character. Change of character. We have this auto block right here, responsible for the change of character. Right, we have this auto block right here, This is eventually trading. This is a pullback trade, guys, targeting our higher time frame areas of demand right here. So anyway, yeah, targeting our 4-hour demand levels. This is just a pullback trade. Yeah, we have liquidity. We have liquidity. We have liquidity resting right here. Liquidity, trendline liquidity forming up here. Just mark out this out like this. We have liquidity. Yeah, right here is just some, I don't know, ICT sellers. Yeah, anyway, right here we have early sellers right here. This is just early sellers selling from this fair value gap right here. But what I see is that the market makers are just, they just to introduce these people. So anyway, I see this stuff all the time, guys. I've been trading from 2022, 25 August. So I've mastered this craft to, yeah. Anyway, we have adjustment of this level because we have early sellers right here reacting from this fair value, selling from this fair value gap, and the Wi-Fi is off. Connected. Yeah. So we have early sellers selling off from this fair value gap right here, which is creating an inducement, right? Possibly creating an inducement for price to tap in to this order block right here. Stops just above, targeting my first TP will be a 1 to 5 as my full bread and butter, right? After hitting TP1 of 1 to 5, I'll eventually leave the rest to run to my demand levels, higher time frame demand levels. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna do a video of turning 50 rand to 500 rand, turning 500 rand to 5,000 rand. So guys, yeah, yeah. So I'm just waiting for the Wi-Fi to, yeah. So guys, let me just put this back on. So I'm looking for price to come up here. If we don't, this is what it is. I'll look for another trading opportunity. So guys, overall 1 to 5 is my TP1, and 1 to 5 is my TP1, and I'd leave the rest for these demand levels right here for a trade of 1 to, let's check, for a trade of 1 to, for a trade of 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to, let's check, it's still loading. For a trade of a 12 hour, I'll leave it to target, so 80% off at 1 to 5, which is my TP1 right here. TP1 for 1 to 5, 12 hour targeting my 4-hour POIs. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking for on, that's what I'll be looking for on US dollar. That's it, that's the trade. So guys, if you want to see a trade breakdown of GBP, usdjpy, gold and nasdaq, just continue watching on the next videos. All right, part 1, part 2, part 3 after editing these videos. And yeah, so that's it for this setup of your US dollar. we're heading on to GBP USD. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you there.